Hello. What's going on, YouTube? Turn this fucking CB off. Anyways. Well, I'm in Wyoming right now off of I-80. You drivers out there, you know about I-80, especially in Wyoming. Fucking wind. The wind. Winds right now are 60 plus miles an hour. And with me being as light in weight as I am, can't do it. Can't do it. Gotta stop. So I stopped. As I was driving, I could just tell my trailer was being flung around a little bit. So I instantly pulled off. Rather be safe than sorry. Rather deliver a load late than not be able to deliver it at all. So I still don't think I'll be late though. I think I'll still be able to make my drop tomorrow morning. I'm only a little over 300 miles out. I'm going to Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm just past Laramie, Wyoming. So I got like 380 miles or something like that. Ain't nothing but like 5.5, 6 hours the most drive. 6 hours. I could probably still get there on time. But yeah, I pulled off just to be safe. It's not a. And then you know me, I'm still kind of new at this game, so I hopped on the CB and I asked advice from my fellow drivers out there. And I mean, instantly, multiple people would just like get off the highway if you're empty or that light. I'm not empty, but I'm damn near empty. I mean, like I'm like 2,000 pounds. I mean, like something like ridiculous like that. I got nothing back there. I got one conveyor belt, so it's just not worth it. Yeah, they were like, some drivers were like, bro, I'm 79,000 and I'm being flung around out here. And I was like, yeah. So I made the call and got off the highway and stopped at this little bogus ass truck stop. I went in there to whatever, kill some time, keep myself busy, maybe buy some snacks or whatever the hell they had in there. The thing's halfway built. They're still building more on it, but I'm not going to even mention the kind of people that run it, if you know what I mean. I'm not going to even bring that up, because then, you know, you sensitive ass pussies out there just like you're racist, whatever. We won't even get into that. But so I pick up, they had some cool like jerky sticks. They had like venison, they had buffalo, they had wild boar, and they had elk. So I was like, cool, you know, let me grab a few of these. I grabbed one of each, so I had 4. Then I also got like a salt and pepper shaker, like with salt and pepper, not just the shaker. Kind of tired of using the old salt and pepper packets, so I decided to get a shaker. Well, I wanted to, but so anyways, I'm searching through the store. I got my jerky sticks, I got my salt and pepper, nothing else. So I go up to the register, and he rings me up. Mind you, 4 jerky sticks, like single sticks, 4 of them, and a salt and pepper shaker. This motherfucker looked at me and said 18 and some change. I said, what the fuck are you talking about? $18? I'm like, what is this, salt and pepper shakers $10? Because on the jerky sticks, they each were tagged at like $2.19 or something like that. I was like, bro, these jerky sticks are $2 each. He's like, no. I'm like, yeah, look at the price tag on them. He's like, that's the wrong price. I'm like, and I'm the wrong motherfucker to be buying this shit like that. I left that shit right on the counter and walked the fuck off. The fuck do I look like? First of all, false advertisement. Like, if it's the wrong price, and you know that, put the right price on there. I don't get it with you people out here, man. I just don't get it. You know, things have such simple solutions. Things can be easily fixed. Things can operate properly. If you just fucking be a decent human being, and B, just do things right. Care a little bit. Put a little thought into things. Have some common sense. I know that's a lot to ask. I know. I'm sorry. Anyway, so on top of me having to stop my trip, which is it is what it is, whatever, I'll get over it. It's a little fucking upsetting, a little dream crushing, but it's all right. I mean, I'm sure it's first of many to come. It is what it is. Like I said in the beginning, I'd rather be safe than sorry. You know, spoke to my DM. He was like, bro, it's not worth it. Just pull over. He's like, if I gotta let the broker know you'll be late, then you know what? And that's what it is. So I appreciate that. I appreciate them, you know, putting my safety first, which I've heard a lot of companies out there just tell you, just run it. Not me, and not this company, which is a good thing. But yeah, so that's kind of like just, you know, dampered my mood for the day. And I was into just running it all today, getting it out of the way, knocking it out the box, being at a truck stop right next to my drop. So I could wake up in the morning, bing, bang, boom, drop my load, go pick up my next one, which is like only like 5 miles away from my drop, and keep it moving, man. After that, I'd be going to Texas. Hopefully I still am. I hope they don't strip that load from me because I'll be late. I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure I'll have enough time, but, you know, so that's just, you know. But I'm safe, so that's what matters. But and then on top of that, I gotta walk into this rinky-dink ass fucking thieving fucking wannabe truck stop. Whatever, you know. I don't like that, man. I don't like when people just, especially businesses, like, you know, just try and get over on people. Try and just, that mentality and the way to just run a fucking business just poorly, piss poor. And you know, ain't my style, man. I'll never fucking support you pieces of shit. So yeah, anyways, man, I'm bored, man. I'm just chilling here, killing time. Anyways, though, everything else is going fantastic. Fantastic, to be completely honest with you guys. Fantastic, man. I'm loving my job. I'm loving my company still. Getting good miles, good pay, good respect, you know, all that. Good equipment, good everything, man. Good across the board. Missing the old family. Good thing somebody decided to invent video chatting throughout the years, because without that, that'd be really shitty, you know. But so that's good. Get to video my kids and my wife on a daily basis. Still keep in touch, and I get to make videos for you guys. Yeah, I know. So exciting. So exciting. I'm such an entertainer. I should have probably went into acting or something, but trucking was more appealing. And hey, trucking's not filled with a bunch of fake pieces of shit like the acting industry is. So yeah, so I'm really digging like the camaraderie out here with all the other truck drivers. I mean, sometimes you just get some fucking scumbags that they're just all for themselves. They could give two shits about the next man, which hey, to each his own. I'm out here and I'm gonna join this family and be a part of it, and you know, put into it as much as it gives me, and I'm sure it gives me as much as I put into it. You know, it's a cycle. It's a circle of life. But yeah, I don't know, man. Like I said, just chilling here, killing time. Hopefully, I'm gonna be able to hit the road again soon, or very, very early in the morning. Yeah, but to all you drivers out there, stay safe, man. Don't do drugs. Be good. Help your fellow trucker. Keep that shiny side up, man. I'm getting hungry. I think I'm gonna eat something. I was gonna get some. They got Indian food in there. Oh, did I just blow the cover on the people that? Anyways, yeah, man, they had some like chicken tiki masala and shit like that. That's like they cook fresh, but not anymore. Won't spend $1 with you assholes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna make some food. Maybe cook up some chicken and some pasta or something. Just chill, man. I don't know. Anyways, y'all be good, man. Y'all be good. And until next time.